right, today, remember all those deer I killed in Kansas? Well, today I'm gonna go make sausage with my dad. And believe it or not, it actually snowed in Florida. We have a snowman in our yard. That was crazy. The last couple days have been absolutely nuts, but just venturing out now. I'm gonna go make some sausage out of those deer with my dad, so stay tuned. All right, we just got to my dad's house. This is my dad.
Hi, I'm Jim. What's going on?
He's got the whole thing set up here. My uncle's also here to help. Hey, Uncle Paul.
Hello.
We got our station ready to go. Last thing we're gonna do before we start processing, I'm gonna dice some of these up so they're ready to go. And then I've got some jalapenos over here. I'm gonna go ahead and dice those up too so everything's running smooth. We got our casings in here and the fat. We'll probably take those out and rinse them, get the salt ready and soak them so that we are ready to go. I got these ones soaking. I'm gonna let them soak for about an hour. These are the bigger ones that I got from Walton's, the 30 to 32 millimeter. These are the natural hog casings. These are gonna be about the size of brats. I guess we'll do the smaller ones first. The breakfast ones.
Before you do that, though, you got to do all the grinding.
Yeah, we got to grind first.
25 pounds. Fat, so we'll do. Ready. Glove up. So we're set up to do the breakfast links, the smaller casings. We got our gloves. We got our casing soaking. The filler that Shelby's going to put in, we're going to put in is pineapple and jalapenos. Got our bowls here. We mark them that way in case you forget the tare, the weight of them, and you're using different bowls to measure our meat. I don't have a 100-pound grinder that I can put these in. So in case you forget, the markings are all right on the bowl. We're going to do 4 pounds of meat with 1 pound of fat. We'll get those mixed together, grind at one time. We're going to do all 25 pounds total. Put it in the big tub. We're going to mix this by hand with the instructions that are on the pack. And then we'll put it back through the grinder. We're going to put our casing. That's for the small breakfast links. We'll put that on there. We'll slide the casing on. Put on as much as you can. We'll tie the end of it and then we'll start filling it. And we'll just lay the sausages in here, and when we're done, when we run out of that casing, we'll go ahead and put the twist on them. We can go at that time and cut them, and then once she gets them the way she wants them, we'll get them in the refrigerator and start another batch. So that's about it. All right, let's get started on grinding our meat. We've got our fat ready to go over here. And all the meat's already pre-cut and ready to come out of their bags. So, here we go. Sausage. So what we're gonna do is 4 pounds of meat to 1 pound of fat, and we're gonna do that 5 times, so we have a total of 25 pounds. These packages right here, the seasonings, these are also from Walton's. This one's the Holly. This is one of their best sellers. It's a half-pound bag that does 25 pounds of meat. So we'll basically just get our total 25 pounds, dump this in there, and then we'll probably just do some regular with just seasoning on it, and then half that, and then I'll add in our jalapeno and pineapple and just mix it by hand. You just kind of alternate back and forth, put a little bit of meat, little bit of fat down the hole, so you get a good mixture, a good consistency, part meat, part fat. They have this here, if you get a clog, you just shove it down in there. It feeds it out pretty good though, so you don't normally have to do that. This is number 147 pork sausage.
the pork sausage seasoning from Walton's. This is the half-pound bag. It does 25 pounds of meat, so we're just gonna sprinkle this in. Oh gosh, smell that.
A bit of sage maybe in there.
There is, yeah.
Yeah, it smells like sage. Mm-hmm.
And so we'll do.
You want to taste the natural sage in meat? Go kill you an antelope in Wyoming.
Yeah, no kidding.
You think it's mixed enough?
I do.
We can.
Yeah, we can do that.
Make a little fatty and.
All right, we're gonna do a little taste test. Is that thin enough? Uncle Paul does not eat very much deer meat.
Except when I make my chili, he loves.
That he doesn't know.
No,
but it's not like this. It's not straight.
Straight out of the tub.
I would not. I would not.
Ate like 3 kebabs, and I told her it was sandhill crane.
That's
like
good.
it?
Yep,
All right.
that's good.
All right, we'll just.
I'll take some of that home with
There
me.
you go.
Oh hell, he won't take mine. A tub like this one,
Okay.
but it has a crack in it, so I don't put liquids in it. Just bring me that tub, and then when we start.
All right, there we go.
All right, I can take it from here.
All right. Go ahead, Dad. All right, there's one of them. We got our breakfast sausage links. Dad's just rolling them out to the size that we want here, and we're gonna put them in the fridge. Let them get nice and chilled. We're gonna do a taste test. We'll get these in the fridge. Let me clear off a shelf. And then we'll just do 1 pound bags for the rest of it because it's quite a bit of meat.
Yes, it is.
Somewhere between 1 and 2 pounds left. Helpers over there.
Hey, don't be throwing those on the floor. Don't you? Adeline Grace. Rotten.
Hey, when you're walking on that sidewalk, watch your head because the ice is melting off the roof and it's like flying down. It was in my belly.
Thanks.
All right, this is the first batch of what we did. That was with the 147 flavoring, and we ended up with 15 pounds of 1 pound bags of just ground breakfast sausage, and then 10 pounds of the breakfast links. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer, get it put away, and then we'll start on the next batch. And the next batch, that seasoning is gonna be this holly. This is their #1 seller at Walton's. So we'll do a little taste test on that too. All right, we'll be back. All right, you know what I'm gonna do for these?
Commercial. Had to come.
All right, we double ground that just like we did the last one, and this is the holly seasoning. We're gonna go and mix that in, do 1 batch of just plain brats with the seasoning in it, and then we'll do a second round of brats with jalapeno and cheddar, and then a third round of brats with jalapeno, cheddar, and pineapple.
Cool.
We'll get this mixed up and put it through the chute. Yeah.
Captain?
All right, so we got
All right, so the bottom layer is regular.
And that's probably what, maybe 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 5 pounds. Anyways, we got some regular brats, just plain with seasoning in them. We're adding, this is probably about 20 pounds of meat. So each one of these bags, the high temp cheddar cheese from Walton's, is a 1 pound bag per 10 pounds of meat. So I'm adding 2 of those in here. And then I'm gonna add some jalapenos and do a batch of just jalapeno and cheddar. And these are just fresh jalapenos diced up. I might even add some more. And then the last batch we'll add in some pineapple. So it'll be cheddar, jalapeno, and pineapple in there. I don't want it to be too... Okay, we're gonna do the closing to our video. All right, that's it. Thank you, Uncle Paul. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
50 pounds of deer meat straight from Kansas. And there
48.
it is. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
See y'all.
Later.
Yeah, turn it off, Mom.